Hey little astronaut, did you ever figure out how you landed on a planet you don't seem to know? Cause you wanna live in outer space, stay too long in the same place. You like building castles you can't reach. Hey little astronaut, I think your oxygen is running out, and the stardust in your veins is piling up. You found a way to breathe right now, but gravity won't hold you down. Your stars just won't align. Little astronaut, you're gonna have to fly. They'll keep looking down on you unless you reach the sky. Someone so small, telling stories so tall. She holds the moon in both her hands, know that she is quite a catch. Swims across the ocean, across the stars for you. Holds across the constellations, cause it's harder than it seems to be a little astronaut with big dreams. Hey little astronaut, how's waving to the stars from the ground? Cause you've been gazing, spacing out about everything. You either gotta get your head out of the clouds or lift your feet above the ground. Cause you're getting stretched too thin. Little astronaut, you're gonna have to fly. They'll keep looking down on you unless you reach the sky. Someone so small, telling stories so tall. She holds the moon in both her hands, know that she is quite a catch. Swims across the ocean, across the stars for you. Holds across the constellations, cause it's harder than it seems to be a little astronaut with big dreams. Little astronaut, you're gonna have to fly. Build your rocket ship and reach for the sky. Cause everyone just thinks that you are small, but you're the only one who knows the stories in your head are told. Waltz across the constellations, I know it's harder than it seems to be a little astronaut with big dreams. With big dreams, yeah, yeah. These days I find it hard to communicate what I want to say to you. I'll write away, but I cannot find the means to get through to you. It's so much harder than it seems to make ends meet, but I think I found a way to paint a picture of what I want to say. I'll write the words on the street, so big you can see them from space. I'll paint a picture of your face, so everyone can see who you are. This time I work with chalk, so next time you walk on the street and all over me, you'll see it's not just my hands that are dirty. Okay, look, I know I wasn't perfect either. Sue me, I am a believer, and I figured you were God. But now I see that believing isn't freeing, and it blurs the lines of what's real and what's not. I could wait for the paint to dry, but honestly I don't really see why. 'Cause kids on a patient, you make me complacent. So now I'll write the words on the street, so big you can see them from space. I'll paint a picture of your face, so everyone can see who you are. This time I work with chalk, so next time you walk on the street and all over me, you'll see it's not just my hands that are dirty. I'll dust off my hands and I'll just pretend that nothing really happened, 'cause the rain will wash it all away. I think it's loud and clear. The next time you walk here, you will see what it's like to be looked down on by me. And yeah, the truth will set you free.